Hello friends, welcome to the Techno Education Academy. In digital electronics, we have the fourth lecture or fourth video in a video series, and we have the topic of conversion of octal number system to a binary number system. So first of all, we need to understand octal number system. In the octal number system, as the decimal places are 0 to 9, same as it is in octal number system, the places from 0 or the number from 0 to 7. That means total number we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's why the number or the number system itself called octal. Octal means 8. After the 7, we have directly the number that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 17, we have directly 20, 21 and so on. Let's take the example of octal. For an example, we'll take 765 in the octal and we need to convert in the binary values. Before we conversion started, we also known the equivalent octal number system of the numbers that would be converted into a binary. So here the writing the equivalent numbers of octal to binary. First we have 0, 0, 0, then in the binary we have 0, 0, 0. In octal number system we have 1, then we have in the binary 0, 0, 1. For 2 we have 0, 1, 0 and so on. So we have the first place in our example, that would be a 5. That number would be a 5. Second place we have 6 and in the third we have 7. So first we have 5. So what we are seeing? We are just seeing that equivalent number with binary. In octal number we have 5, though in binary number we have 101, so we wrote 101. In second number we have 6, then we have 110, then we directly write 110. And last we have 7. 7 in the sense we have 111, so we write 111. But we are converting that value into directly into a binary. It is very simplest method to convert octal number system to binary number system. Just we are writing the equivalent number in the group of 3. That means first place, second place and third place. Why? Because all the octal number system are completed within the 7 numbers and last number we have in a group of 3. So we just dividing or we are writing the binary numbers in a group of 3. If you have any query or any kind of question, directly DM us or personally DM me or comment down below. That's why we are solve your problem and your paper would be given to a nice values.